Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A7 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some charges. And then let's enter the Play Store. Be aware because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can do it right now simply after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it on your own. So after entering the Play Store, let's simply tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, and this is the list of the apps which can be updated. So all you have to do is to mark the specific app, and I will choose maybe Google Maps. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps which are listed here, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. So right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.